The Secret is probably one of the most phenomenal self-help book talking about the power of positivity. It based upon this pseudo-scientific theory called the law of attraction. That means like attracts like. So let's say if you want to manifest something from this life, that is possible. If you want to be healthy, if you want to be in a relationship, anything, it's possible by the help of this theory called the law of attraction. Likewise, fretting over a worst case scenario will only cause your fears to be realized. Hence, it's very important to have a positive thinking in your life so that you can transform your life as well as you can make all your desires and dreams come true. According to the book, there are no accidents, there are no bad luck. Hence, your life is a reflection of all the past thoughts. So, whatever that you are experiencing right here, right now, is because of your past thoughts. So, that means whatever that I am feeling right now will be my future. So it's very important to have positive thinking in your life. Whatever that you're feeling right now will make a difference in the coming time. In this book, Bob Proctor has said that why do you think that 1% of the population earns around 96% of all the money that being earned? Do you think that's an accident? It's designed that way. They understand something. They understand the secret. And now you are being introduced to the secret. This book comprises of this theory called law of attraction, and law of attraction always works. It's like a law of gravity. It really doesn't matter if you believe it or not, it always works. That means if a person falls from a top of the building, he or she will fall down and will hit the ground. If you think that you have no control over your destiny, then you're going to attract the situations that will probably render you helpless. So it's always important to believe that you can control your destiny, you can tame your destiny, you can change your future by thinking positive things right here, right now. John Assaraf has said, the simplest way for me to look at the law of attraction is if I think of myself as a magnet and I know that the magnet will attract to it. We are the most powerful magnet in this universe and we have the superpower of attracting anything in this life. Any materialistic thing that you want from this life, you can attract it. So now the main question is, how do you attract the thing that you truly want from this life? And in this book, they told us 3 simple steps that will help us out. Number 1 is to ask. You need to ask the universe clearly, like what you want from this life. You need to be crystal clear in your thought process. It's like, you cannot say that I want a car. Be specific as much as you can. I want a BMW car. I want a color red. I want the interior like this. I want to have this specific car, BMW Z4. The more specific you're gonna be, the more focused you'll be towards that thing that you truly want. And from that, you can and you will attract that thing because you're a magnet, right? And when the request is not specific, the signal will be confused and the frequency can attract mixed results. So the number 1 thing is to ask the universe a specific thing from this life. But there's a catch. You don't need to ask again and again and again because that is telling the universe that you are not sure about it. For example, whenever we go to a restaurant, we just order food once. Not again and again and again because we believe that the food will come, right? It's the same theory that you need to ask the universe just once with a firm belief that yes, universe has listened to you, right? Number 2 step is to believe. You need to have a belief in the system, in the universe, that yes, this thing will manifest no matter what. That is the reason that the author has told us to be positive all the time. And there might be a days when you feel negative. And we can change that momentum straight away by listening to your favorite music, by watching some funny videos, by watching baby videos, or even a cat videos, whatever that suits you. This will transform the negativity into positivity and then you can actually focus on the things that you truly want from this universe. It's like building the mental image inside your mind that specific car, that BMW Z4 red color car is just around the corner probably. And I'm happy because I trust the universe and I know it will manifest. All you need to have is belief. Believe that the universe have already provided you with the thing that you want from this life. And then you will have a different mindset. So number 2 step is to have belief in the system, believe in yourself, believe in everything. The last step, number 3 step is to receive. Now the author said that in order to receive that thing, you must feel good right here, right now. Believe that the car is sitting in your garage. Believe that you are already driving it. You want to attract a specific person? Believe that you are going on a date with her. Believe that you're already rich. So why don't you go out for a window shopping? It really doesn't matter because inside you believe that that's already yours. And that's the one step towards taking that thing in your life. It's like if you can imagine it here, you can hold it here. All these actions will be sending a positive energy towards the universe. And from that, you will regain that positive energy back by manifesting that thing that you truly want from this life. So all these three processes are ask, believe, and receive. If you're going to do it in a daily basis, regularly, all the time mostly, then believe me, you're going to manifest all these things in your life. Now the next question you might ask me is, how much time will it take to actually manifest that goal? So according to the author, that totally depends upon from one person to the other because every person has a different belief system. For one person, manifesting $1 million might be a big task because that's a huge amount. But that's not how universe think. It totally depends upon your mindset. If you believe that you can manifest $1 million in this X amount of days, then this is going to happen. If you do all these three steps, ask, believe, and receive. Now, to push this process of receiving, we need to do one exercise, and that is called the act of visualization. Many great investors in the history of this mankind had already been doing visualization since ages. It's like Wright brothers had the image in their mind, and from that they manifested airplane. And so many people out there, if you look around us, everything which has been invented was imagined first here and then manifested in our hands. So you can also do that thing, right? All you need to do is close your eyes for a couple of minutes every day and then visualize and think about all the things that you truly want from this life and how you're going to treat yourself then when that goal, when that thing is besides you, that you have already achieved it in this life. How are you going to feel? You're going to feel great, right? You're going to feel positive. You're going to feel proud. Think all these things, all these emotions right here, right now. And that will manifest and make you a successful person in your life. The author also added some technique that will help you visualize in a very better way. She said that focus on moving images. Instead of thinking about the kitchen of your dream, imagine yourself cooking, opening the fridge, or grabbing a bottle of cold water. She also suggests that creating a vision board where you pin images of all the things you want will also help you out in visualizing that goal. And by doing all these steps, you're going to manifest your dreams, your desire into this life. Jack Canfield had said that decide what you want, believe that you can have it, believe that you deserve it, and believe it's possible for you. And then close your eyes every day for several minutes and visualize having what you already want. Feeling the feeling of already having it. Come out of that and focus on what you are grateful for already and really enjoy it. Then go into your day and release it to the universe. And trust that universe. So I hope you enjoyed this book review and I hope you understood a lot of things. So do let me know in the comments section what you feel. And if you haven't read this book, I highly recommend it to all of you so that you can understand yourself better and you can manifest all the desires from this life. This book will also help you out in bringing out the positivity inside you, which I believe is a very important source towards being successful. So do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. I hope you like this video. If you do, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.